Experiencing issues with your T-Mobile gateway password? You're not alone. Firmware updates and security enhancements, while beneficial, can sometimes cause login failures. First, ensure you're using the correct password, often found on the device label. If that doesn't work, power cycle your gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Remember, this will wipe custom settings and restore default credentials. T-Mobile also prioritizes app-based troubleshooting. Utilize the T-Mobile Internet app for AI-assisted diagnostics and remote password resets to avoid service disruptions. These fixes address password problems stemming from firmware conflicts or security measures, offering a straightforward resolution. If resetting your password doesn't work, browser cache is a likely culprit. Outdated or corrupted cache data can prevent authentication. To resolve this, clear your browser's cache. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and clear browsing data, selecting cached images and files and cookies and site data. In Firefox, you can use extensions to clear cache effectively. As an alternative, use the T-Mobile app for remote gateway management, bypassing browser-related problems entirely. For future prevention, enable auto updates and be mindful of shared device usage, which can contribute to cache buildup. Keeping your browser cache clear and exploring alternative access methods can significantly improve your gateway login experience. In the future, T-Mobile plans to introduce biometric authentication to completely eliminate password issues.